also includes a disposable cartridge and a quick release button that allows for hands-free disposal directly into your garbage can. And it also works for those annoying little fruit flies. So, interested? Let Dennis show you how it works.
The garbage can fly trap is a device that is installed in the lid of a garbage can. Flies, being attracted to the scent of your garbage, seek the easiest route to gain access. We have designed the garbage can fly trap to let flies think they have found it.
Oh no!
They enter through the center of the trap on the exterior of the garbage can under the quick release button and follow their nose to the disposable cartridge below, located on the interior of the garbage can. The disposable cartridge is lined with flypaper, which prevents their escape.
To replace the disposable cartridge, simply press the quick release button, allowing the cartridge to fall into your garbage, and snap on a new cartridge, and you are ready to capture more flies. After 7 prototypes and receiving valuable feedback from product testing, we are finally ready to introduce this innovative device to the market.
This is the wall mount grocery bag dispenser. You know all those plastic grocery bags you keep in an overstuffed drawer? Well, no more. This dispenser can hold up to 30 bags and keeps them handy for reuse. Just tuck bags through the top opening like this. When you need to use one, pull it out of the wide dispensing slot. It mounts to the wall or inside a cabinet with screws or adhesive tape. Time to declutter.
Meet TileMate, the small, powerful companion that helps you find your things. Small and light, TileMate is designed to easily hook onto your keys, drop in your purse, or stick on your bike. When your things get lost, TileMate is there to help you find them. Ring TileMate to quickly find your remote control. Or use the Tile app to retrace your steps and see where you left your car on a map. If it's your phone that you're looking for, just press the button on any of your tiles and your phone will ring, even on silent. And if your bike goes missing, Tile can still help you find it. Just ask to be notified. Then, when any user in Tile's global network comes within range of your missing bike, the Tile app will alert you of its most recent location. TileMate, the simple, easy way to find your things. Get TileMate today and never worry about losing anything again. Tile. Find what matters.
We are not born great. We do not have greatness thrust upon us. Our greatness comes from our achievements, our desires to make an imprint and leave a legacy. We accept the challenges that lead us away from a life of mediocrity because we do not play it safe. We do not settle for anything. We are always growing and always changing. We set forth to scale mountains, to dive to the darkest depths of the sea, to love, to dream, so that we may dangerously expand our horizons. Because we understand that the world will not continue turning unless we push. And so we challenge ourselves to become greater. Do you accept the challenge?
Open Sesame. Sesame is what's called a smart lock, which means you can unlock it using your phone as the key. I've tried other smart locks. They're way too big. Their apps are confusing. They take too long to connect. And they're a hassle to install. And I'm pretty handy. But Sesame's different. You can install it in seconds, literally. No unscrewing, no replacing. Sesame has a patented design that fits any latch anywhere in the world. The app is handsome and intuitive. But you can open your door without it, like this. Or like this. Sesame senses when my phone is nearby and gets ready for my special knock. And I can get the optional Wi-Fi access point. It plugs into the wall nearby, so Sesame is always on my home network, and it's linked to the access point with Bluetooth, which keeps it connected while going easy on the batteries. And with no keys, it's easy to let other people in too. I can choose who has access and who doesn't. I get notifications when my lock opens and closes, so I can always know what's going on, no matter where I am. And it's got military-grade encryption. No one's hacking this thing. Open Sesame. Ta-da!
They're taking a stand against inequality. They're also taking a whiz. That's how they're taking a stand. For millennia, men have lorded over women their unfair advantage of simply being able to whip it out and go to town. Just zip, whip, and let her rip. Meanwhile, she has been forced to sit in an uncomfortable, immobile, and vulnerable position, bound at the ankles or knees by her skirt, pants, or panties. Often on toilets so disgusting that only the tedious process of mummifying John makes them tolerable. Men turn their backs on us and go wherever and whenever they want, while women have to either wait for a usually nasty bathroom or get out of sight and then drop, squat, and squirt. Does this look equal to you? We're both just peeing. Female friends everywhere, for years you have not been able to pee freely, but today you are free to pee as you please with the great equalizer of men and women, Ms. Whiz. Ms. Whiz is a female urination device, the modern woman's weapon against inequality and unsanitary toilets. She's the quick, clean, comfortable way to go when you can't or don't want to sit. Just hold Ms. Whiz over your business and you're in business.
You be the hero. Enjoy the freedom to pee standing up. Ms. Whiz is the safest, cleanest way to go in an unsanitary environment. And Ms. Whiz is made of hypoallergenic silicone, ergonomically designed, so there's no flowback, splashing, or spills. Ms. Whiz loves the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, skiing, biking, boating, whatever, well, Annie, get your good. No more interrupted fun to go find the bathroom. With Ms. Whiz, all you have to do is learn how to aim.
Join the cause. Take a stand and take a whiz while you're at it. Click here to get Ms. Whiz today or go to MsWhiz.com. Ms. Whiz puts the fun in funnel. If you couldn't stand going to the bathroom before, we guarantee you can stand going to the bathroom now. Ms. Whiz, the Equalipotty, because equality is number one.